precious people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard and this is Yogi Gerard. Hi, buddy. Never fails. As soon as you take the camera out, he's like, what, wait, can we put my cute little face in the video? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard, and this channel is monetized for charity, which means by watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you're supporting two amazing charities in my area. I do donate all of my AdSense money to the domestic violence program at the Child and Family Center and Rescues on the Runway, which is a fantastic dog rescue. So I do thank you for watching, and if it's your first time here, please make sure to give the video a like, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so that you'll know anytime Yogi and I upload a new video. So it has been a little over a month since I got my Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star merch, and I thought, you know, they're probably going to restock this stuff at some point, and people probably want to know how good the quality is. Like, did it hold up? So I did a review on it when I first got it. So I will link that here. I just put a card in case you guys want to go back and watch that if you haven't seen that video. But I thought, you know what? After a little while, after you've gotten some use out of it, and I've gotten some use out of this stuff, girl, I thought it would be really cool to kind of go back through the stuff and see how it's holding up. So I thought we should start with the thing that I've used the least is the hat. I do like it. It's super cute with the little piggy on it. I said in my original video, I prefer Velcro in the back, but it does have this little cute piggy adjustable strap. I have worn this, I would say 3 times maybe, not for a lot of time. And the only drawback is that, you know, of course, and that's just from oils and a little bit of makeup. I don't even know if I wore makeup when I wore this. I don't think I did. But you know, that's, I guess, to be expected with any light colored hat. You know, the inside of it is gonna get sweaty and stuff like that, especially I got hot flashes, so you know, not necessarily Shane and Jeffree's fault. But that would be my 2 drawbacks to this hat. I do love it though, and I will wear it a lot, I'm sure. So the next would be the shoes. So I did get the piggy slides, and I wear these a lot. I would say that I have worn these pretty much every day. I mean, I have wood floors at my house, so I don't usually walk around barefoot. I'm wearing these around the house. I've also worn them out a number of times. I believe I wore them once to the Galleria when I was in Houston, and I know I wore them over to Nick's place one of the days that we were there. They are super comfortable, and they have held up really good. So I'd say they've got some miles on them, but you can see that they're holding up really good. They are very, 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 very comfortable. I have to say that. As much as I've walked in them, this band just has some nice padding there so that it doesn't cut into your feet. The edges don't cut into your feet when you walk. And I have somewhat of a narrow foot, so you know, take that however you will. I think if you had a wider foot, who knows? But I have somewhat of a narrow foot, and I have had no issues with this. When I bought them, I went to Jeffree's site because I have the iconic slides, and I remembered that the sizing was weird, but I couldn't find a sizing chart on the Shane Dawson merch site. So I went to Jeffree's site and got the size that was right for me. So this is a 5. It's a man's 5, which is a lady's 7. I normally wear a 6 to a 6.5, but I like my shoes a little bit big. So very, very happy with these so far. And they seem like they're going to hold up really good. I mean, I've worn them outside. There's a lot of dirt around me. I kind of live in the middle of nowhere, and they're really easy to just wipe off. So very, very happy with those. And then there's my piggy pack. So again, I've had this a little over a month. I have been using it as a purse. So I have had all my stuff, and I had to take everything out so that I could make this video, but I have used it quite a bit. I'm just looking at the inside to see. It's a little dirty inside. I don't know if you can really see in there, but there is like a little bit of makeup and dirt and stuff in there. I haven't tried to clean it to know if it would clean or not, but as far as like the pocket stitching is still there. The you know, everything is right where it started in terms of the lining and all of that. So it doesn't seem like anything has moved. This was one of the things that I really liked most about this backpack, is that like you can be walking and have it open a little bit and your stuff isn't going to fly everywhere. Those are really secure and haven't gone anywhere. And I'll say I have put some stuff in this. Yeah, I've weighted it down and I've been using it as a purse for over a month. And even the little snout area I have used. I've been keeping like a little bit of cash and like a lipstick or something up front, and then just keeping everything else inside. In terms of using it, it's pretty amazing to use. The one thing that would be super cool is if maybe on the back or somewhere else they put a little pocket for your phone, because you know how it is. Your phone is going off every 2 seconds, and you know, this isn't big enough to hold a phone unless you kind of leave it sticking out, and then you might drop it. So you have to put your phone inside if you're not going to just carry it in your hands. And then, you know, every time it goes up, you have to like open the bag to look at it. So that would be my only drawback after using it for a month. I do have to say that I have gotten a ton of compliments on this bag from people who know who Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star are, from people who don't know who Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star are, people wanting to know the website so they can order one for their niece or their daughter or their granddaughter. And I have to say, I've never gotten that many compliments carrying a Gucci. So I guess that's good. But yeah, this has gone pretty much everywhere with me for over a month. The only days that I didn't carry it was the days that I was flying to and from Houston. I carried my other backpack, which is larger, and I just filled this up with toiletries and put it inside my checked luggage. So it did go with me, but just I didn't carry it. I didn't use it as a carry-on on the plane because I wanted a backpack that would hold more. But as a handbag, as a purse, I have to say I'm really happy with this. I feel like it's held up really good. I haven't like wiped it off or anything like that, but it stayed perfectly clean. Hasn't gotten dingy or anything like that. Like sometimes they do. And even the inside that is the lining that is a tad dirty, I would say it's just a tad. And it seems like the kind of fabric that I should be able to clean when the time comes. I have had bags that I have bought. I know there were 2 that I bought from Louis Vuitton at one time. They were the same bag, but just different colors. And they had light colored insides like this one does. One was like a cream colored and one was a beige. And just from opening and closing and reaching in and stuff like that, it had gotten really black after like 4 or 5 days. So I have to say this is much better than that. And that you could not clean. I'm fairly certain that you could wipe this out and then just let it dry and it would be fine. You might not get it back exactly like it was to begin with, but overall, I have to say everything has held up really good. All the zippers are fine. It's very sturdy. So I would say that I like this as much as I did when I got it, if not even a little bit more, because it kind of surprises me at how much stuff you can put in here. And it's so light. I have a lot of problems with my neck and shoulders from a few years ago. I was helping somebody at church, and I leaned into her car to help get some water jugs out of her car. And when I leaned in, it was a Chrysler 300, and the spring on the trunk was broken, and it slammed down, hit me in the head, and I had to have stitches like right here. And ever since then, my neck and shoulders have been whack. And so I have to say, carrying this, because it's so light, has been really great, because I can put all my crap in it, and it doesn't get as heavy as a lot of handbags do. So a lot of my handbags I can't even carry anymore, because once I get my stuff in it, they're just way too heavy. So can we help you? I don't know if you heard that, but that was just a snort. So yeah, I would say 10 out of 10 on this still. I love it, love it, love it. And honestly, the shoes too, I really, really love. I mean, the hat was kind of an impulse buy, but I do like it, and it is good. I do see now that there's a little tiny rip here. I don't know if I did that, if it happened in my suitcase, because I did take this to Houston with me, but that's kind of weird. So I'm not too sure about that. I still like it. I'll still wear it. It's a hat. It's not meant to, does it need to last 50 years? Probably not. But I really think if you were to pick one of these up on the restocks, that you'd be really happy with it, that it would hold up really nicely. So I just thought this would be a fun video to do. Like I said, I knew there'd be restocks coming and figured that, people are going to want to know, hey, are you still happy with that thing? So I'm actually thinking that when they come back, I'm going to make an attempt to get the black one. I don't know if I'll get it. I feel like I won the lottery the first time getting this, because I just was so lucky to be able to get on and get one before they were all gone. But yeah, I'm excited. So I really appreciate you guys being along for this video. I'm doing my best to get videos up for you every day in December. So fingers crossed that that we'll be able to do that. I am doing some traveling, and of course it's a very busy time of year for GC, but I thought it would be a fun thing to do, and all the money goes to the dogs anyways. So why not, right? So if you haven't already, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give the video a like. And what the heck, if you made it this far in the video, why not share the video? Spread the love, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody has an awesome day.